Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're doing a mukbang, Wendy's, with my daughter, right? So it was a nice day, so we decided to do it. Yeah, put it here in the bag. So we got some chicken sandwich, which I'm already biting
And
it.
I have what's that called?
A cheeseburger.
A cheeseburger. So I have
Don't put it too close.
I have cheeseburger.
Yes.
Where's that in my hand?
All right, sit back. So
Ay.
we gotta go to the supermarket, right? So
So we're already here, but first, we eating first in the car.
yeah, cause it's good to eat before the food get cold.
So we're going to eat in the car, and then when we finish, we go to the store.
How was your cheeseburger?
Just good.
It's good. You like it?
I never eat this before.
I know. It's good. So, sorry guys, we're like munching our mouth. So, oh my god, I can't. It's so good.
Earlier, when we was driving, my mom said she wanted candy, the sour one, and I gave her the purple one, and she was really funny.
What face did I make?
Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. That's funny.
Can you make the face that I made?
You show me. You show me.
Oh. You think I'm funny?
Yeah. Wait, Mom. I challenge you.
What?
I challenge you.
What? Go sit down and eat.
No. I challenge you.
What are you looking for? Let me hold it.
I challenge you to eat this. Come on, let's eat it. Come on. So she got the sour patch, and look at her funny face.
Say excuse me.
Excuse me.
So this is a purple
One.
sour patch. So
This food tastes really good. No, chew it. Chew it.
Oh. No. Oh. That is sour.
Well, watch this.
No, I'm not eating another one.
No, it's my turn.
Give me the...
See, guys, what? This is a sour patch. I'm gonna see. And watch this, guys. I have a purple one. Like my same
Go
thing.
that way. Alright, give me the bag. Eat your food. It's hot in here. Come on, sit. Or, yeah. Come on, eat. Ooh.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel.
We're already into the video. So this is really good. There's nuggets. You want nuggets? You want to try nuggets?
No.
Fries?
No. Oh, wait, see?
Here. Sit.
I fell. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And also, I got some fries here. And
Soda.
We got soda at home. We got soda now. This one tries
It's not good, but it's you know, we don't do that caffeine soda, so because she'll be hyped and my heart rate will be off the roof, so we stick to non-caffeine soda. I try to incorporate juice, water, or whatever, healthy stuff more to her and us. But it's hard. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's hard. Especially with her. But anyway. Yo, this food is good.
This tastes sour.
What?
I ate it, Jim.
I tell you not to.
I wanted this. Like,
You did?
yeah.
I didn't even see that. You sneaky.
Guys, when we got home, I asked my mom I want to go with that, and then I tricked her.
Mm-hmm.
And she
At first, she was like, I want to go with you. I'm like, okay, get ready. And then she wanted to stay with her dad. And I'm like, wait, your dad. No.
And my dad said, come on, Anna, go with your mom.
Ooh. So guys, this is the end of the video. My cheek is red
Because she was breathing.
had a pimple earlier and messed it, so it's red. And she wanna be walking or taking this doll with her everywhere. This creepy doll. She think it's Annabelle, but it's not.
It is.
It's not.
Yes.
What did I say?
You said Annabelle.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not. It's not Annabelle.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
So, hey guys.
This is Annabelle.
Huh?
This is Annabelle.
So guys.
Hey guys, so
So guys.
hey guys.
Can I finish the video, please?
Hey guys, we're going to channel.
Anyway, we'll talk to y'all soon. Peace. Bye.